This video I will explain how to save for big goals. First we will understand what is a big goal means. A big goal is something that usually costs lot of money and takes time to achieve. For example, buying a car, paying for wedding, going on a vacation, buying a house. These goals cannot be reached with just few days of saving. You need planning, discipline and patience. Second step is set a clear goal. First, you must decide what you want and how much it costs. For example, if a vacation will cost 1 lakh rupees, then that is your target. If a house down payment costs 10 lakh rupees, then that becomes your goal. When you know the exact number, saving becomes easier. Third step is decide the timeline. Next, think about when you want to achieve this goal. Short term goals, which is 1 to 3 years. For example, vacation, car, wedding. Long term goals, which is 5 to 10 plus years. For example, house, retirement. The timeline helps you to figure out how much money to save every month. Fourth step is create a monthly saving plan. For example, if you need 1,20,000 rupees in 2 years, then what you have to do is 1,20,000 divided by 24 months. 2 years equal to 24 months. So it gives 5,000 per month. So this is called saving plan. You have to save 5,000 per month for 2 years to achieve 1,20,000 rupees. Fifth step is use a separate saving account. It is best to keep money for big goals in a separate account so you don't spend it by mistake. Some people open a recurring deposit or fixed deposit in a bank for safe growth. Sixth step is cut unnecessary spending. To save faster, reduce spending on things that are not very important. For example, eat out less often, cancel subscriptions if you don't use, buy fewer impulse items. This money can be redirected toward your big goal. Seventh step is automate your savings. Set up an automatic transfer from your main bank account to your saving accounts every month. This way, saving becomes habit and you don't forget it. Eighth step is track your progress. Check your savings every few months. Are you on track? Do you need to save more or adjust your goal? Tracking keeps you motivated. Ninth step is avoid debt for big goals. Try not to take loans for things like vacations or weddings. Loans comes with interest, which makes everything more expensive. Saving in advance is always better. Tenth step is stay patient and consistent. Saving for big goals takes time. The key is discipline, which is sticking to your plan, and consistency, doing it regularly without stopping. Now we will see the summary of your saving success formula. Decide your goal and cost. Set a timeline. Break it into monthly savings. Use a separate account. Cut expenses, automate savings, and track progress. Be patient. You have to remember every small steps you take today brings you closer to your big dreams tomorrow. Start saving now and watch your goals become reality.